Hi, my name is Lilia and welcome to Choicely App Masterclass. I'm going to show you how easy and fast it is to build a mobile apps with Choicely without any coding skills. First, go to choicely.com and click Get Started. Then choose which template you want to use as a basis for your app. Give your app a name, choose where it's hosted, and create your account. Now you're in. Let's start a good habit of testing your app on your phone. You can test your app using the Choicely Studio app. Download the app and read the QR code to see and test your app in real time. Let's see how this works. Change the color and the screen and update. The color changes on both screens, on your computer and in the app. Here are some links to get you started with Choicely. Now click Done. Here's the app builder, the main view where your app is organized. What shows here shows in the app. The native content for the app is created here, but you can also add a web content. Let's start by changing the shop to your own web view, so you'll direct your users to the right place. Then we can update your players to reflect your team from the article builder. Let's add some articles to your home screen. And finally, let's add some fun voting, rating on scoreboard so your users can participate and engage with your app and the sports club. Now let's take another look at the app through the preview function. Cool! When you're happy with your app and want to release it, just contact us and we'll kick wheels in motion. That's how easy it is to build an app with Choicely.